Hi guys, today we're going to talk about machine learning definition and processes. So firstly, let's talk about what machine learning is. So machine learning is basically gives the computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So suppose if you have a question to sort a list of numbers, then first method is to give a full out algorithm, full out program which takes in data, runs the algorithm on the data and gives the output of sorted numbers. Or you can give the input and you can give the output of the corrected sorted labels. Then you allow the machine to see both the data and learn the algorithm between them or the mapping function between them itself. And then the machine will learn the sorting algorithm itself, and then you can test it on the new data that the machine has not seen, and you'll see that the output would be the sorted numbers. Now firstly, let's understand the concept of learning. What really is learning? So learning can be defined as this way. Alright, so now let's suppose we have a playing chess problem. So for that, our task would be to play chess. Our performance measure, or P, would be to see how well the computer or how many wins the computer has against its opponents, and the experience would be to keep playing against itself. So that's how learning is defined. Alright, so now we know the basics of machine learning and what learning really is. So let's see the different steps in the machine learning process. So the different steps can be seen like this, which is very conveniently shown in this one chart. So firstly, data set is gathered from outside using measuring devices. Now this has to make sure that a data set does not have a lot of features. Also in the same way, it does not have very few features. So that way data set has to be made sure to be efficient. Then this data set is further goes on to cleaning, which is data cleaning. In data cleaning, we basically fix the errors in the data set. Once this is done, feature engineering happens, where it basically handles all the missing variables in the data set, or it one hot encodes or just gives some encoding to the categorical variables. It does scaling and etc. Alright, so once this is done, now our data set is ready to be split on training data and test data or new data. Now training data is the data which the machine learning sees and which the machine learning algorithm is built upon. The model is built upon, or the data that algorithm learns. Okay, so the model makes a learning algorithm and a model, a trained model is built. Fine. This trained model is also evaluated with many such models and the best one is chosen. Fine. Once this model is chosen, it is then evaluated against the new data or the test data and the scores are taken. Fine. Also, if the model is not giving that great of accuracy or the metric that you have chosen, then you can use a process of hypertuning which tweaks the parameters to make the model more efficient. So once all of this is done and a final model is chosen, it's again tested with the new data or the test data, and the accuracy or the metric you have chosen is evaluated, and then the model would be evaluated based on that score. So that was the basic steps of machine learning, and these were the basic definition and process of what machine learning consists of. So I hope you guys found this useful, and thank you.